Is this how it is everywhere?
We're on our way to Boston to do an install.
Yeah, Connecticut was not made for snow.
I can't imagine it being an emergency and pulling into here. Mass Gen, ginormous. I'm literally just trying to get to the spot where all the monitors are. Fortunately, I found it. Unfortunately, I couldn't record the installation process. So here's a quick little time lapse of me programming the monitors to where they need to be at. And then we ended up leaving after. So that's all I got. Oh my god, look at the Winter Wonderland. Is it good? I get the upper half. You know what? I'll let you shit in the shower. I'm getting out of my work clothes so I can go sing happy birthday to my baby brother. He's 6.
Ready? 1, 2.
It's very
I know, sorry. 3. Say cheese. You're not real.
That was so funny.
We're doing. But you gotta say it. Wait. How about
7.
Happy birthday to you. You have a wish?
Make your wish.
Yeah, think about it. Close your eyes. Make a wish.
Good job.
Wait, there's 2 more.
All right. Remember, you can't tell anybody. It's questionable. I just stopped and grabbed food during my lunch. I just got 2 different calls for corrective repairs, and I'm gonna coordinate to get them done tomorrow. Just because I don't like driving anytime after like 1 o'clock, because I still would have to go home, change my outfit, prepare, and then drive like an hour or so out. And I like to have a couple hours to actually make sure that I'm doing the job correctly and without rushing. Anyways, yesterday we sang happy birthday to Liam. Every Wednesday I go to the shooting range, and today my little brother actually has a senior night for wrestling. I honestly have never been to any of his wrestling matches. I heard that they're long, so we're gonna go today after the shooting range. I just went to this gym to see like what they have going on in the inside, what their memberships include, because on the website it didn't tell me anything. I think it was just a way for you to get inside so they can show you everything and have you talk to somebody in person. But I am hesitant only because I know myself and I know my schedule, and work is the only thing that really like stresses me out, because if they send me up to Massachusetts, then I'm stuck in Massachusetts and I can't go to the gym, which is not terrible because I know how to rest day, but I want structure in my life and I'm trying to build that this year, and I have school mixed with work, so it's kind of like just trying to find that eat happy balance. They close late, which is something that I actually really am looking forward to. Fun fact, my car's check engine light just came on. Yeah, and I'm probably gonna drop it off tomorrow, but I also just made plans to do a repair. But I'm going home right now, so I'm gonna wash them up and then go to my brother's event, because there's not really a choice here. There's a freaking snowstorm, and this block is literally like 1 lane. If you look at how this car is sitting, you can basically only have 1 car. Am I the only one? I buy like a big bowl of food. I can never finish it in 1 sitting, and it becomes like a meal for the whole day. This is my 3rd time coming back for more. I just choked in a grain of rice. It's good though. Okay. Just finished. About to do the hair. I probably have like 15 minutes because my dad's about to shower right now. So let me hurry up.
I'm about my spiller. All my niggas monkeys.
Look at my hair before I left.
All my niggas cutting, we some hitters. We some jealous. Birds on my timeline, coded Twitter. That's spiller. That's spiller. Spiller. I'm about my spiller. I'm about my spiller. We ain't fucking with you niggas. I'm coming through. Me and all my
God, the nostalgia I feel from being here is crazy. I haven't been here in like 7 years. With a beautiful freaking view. If I remember correctly, one of these was my locker. They never finished this this gym when I went. Where's my brother? May May. Bro, this camera is like fire.
got this. Come on, Damien. Come on. Push. 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 Come on, Damien. Come on. Come on, Damien. Come on, Damien. Come on. Like that. Like that. Right. Come on. Use some legs. Come on, Damien. Come on. Come on, fight! Fight!
I wonder what the hell happened. No, so if you hold back, it's like on the mat, then you're out. But I only had one shoulder.
You were. You kept on up. Your legs never turned over.
Great.
Yeah, you didn't give up. That was good. That's...
She gonna kill, yeah.
Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that.
It's literally hours later. I should be going to sleep, actually. It's 1 in the morning. I'm thinking about getting an ATV, guys. They're not street legal, which is why I'm like, maybe not, but maybe. Absolute yapper. If you made it this far, comment whether or not you think a tomato is a fruit. I might just argue with you in the comments.